Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Alex, and I'm really happy you're here with us today. On this channel, we practice listening and speaking slowly and clearly through real-life topics. Today, we have a very interesting topic to talk about: monk mode. It might sound unusual, but it's a way of living where you focus entirely on your personal goals and cut out all distractions. In this episode, we'll dive into what monk mode is, the benefits it brings, how to get into it, and what challenges you might face. So if you're ready, let's jump in. And before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this episode with anyone who might find it helpful. It really helps out the channel. In today's fast world, it's easy to get distracted. There are constant notifications, social media updates, and a lot of things happening around us. Our minds often jump from one thought to another. Many times, we spend hours on our phones, but don't really achieve much. We keep doing tasks, but they don't bring us closer to our real goals. Now, imagine a way of living where you choose to focus only on what really matters. A way of life where you remove all the distractions around you. This way, you can give all your attention to your growth, your skills, and your goals. This approach is about being focused and setting limits for yourself. It's not about ignoring everything else, but about making better choices with your time. By focusing on what's truly important, you can improve your habits, stay more disciplined, and feel in control of your life. The main idea behind this way of life is simplicity. It's about being aware of your actions and removing things that don't add value. It's about using your time for things that help you grow. It's not about being perfect, but about improving. Every small step towards a focused life can make a big difference in how you use your time and energy. Being mindful is a big part of this lifestyle. When you're mindful, you pay attention to what you're doing. You notice when your mind is distracted, and you can bring it back to your goal. By practicing mindfulness, you start realizing when you're wasting time or getting distracted. Instead of just letting your mind wander, you can refocus on what you need to do. This lifestyle also focuses on simplifying your environment. It's not just about cleaning your space physically, but also mentally. When there's less clutter around you, your mind can focus better. You spend less time on things that don't matter and more time on things that do. It's a process of removing the unnecessary to make room for the important things. It's important to remember that this approach is not about perfection. You won't always be able to remove all distractions or focus perfectly all the time. The key is to keep practicing and improving a little bit each day. Whether it's setting time aside for reading, taking breaks to clear your mind, or reducing your phone use, every little step counts. The benefits of this lifestyle are clear. You become more productive, more focused, and more in control of your time. You'll also feel less stressed by distractions. Over time, you'll develop more discipline and a stronger sense of purpose. And with that, you'll see progress towards your goals. In simple terms, living with more focus is not about cutting yourself off from the world. It's about being more aware of your choices, removing distractions, and creating a space where you can grow. It's about living with purpose, improving yourself, and staying focused on what matters most. Now that we've talked about what it means to focus on your goals and remove distractions, let's look at the benefits of living this way. Focusing on what matters and removing distractions can bring many good changes to your life. When you start living with more focus and reducing distractions, you'll notice many positive changes in your life. One of the first things you'll experience is an increase in productivity. When you reduce distractions, you give yourself more time to focus on tasks that really matter. Think about how often we waste time on our phones, checking social media, or jumping between different tasks. By cutting those distractions, you can spend your time on things that help you get closer to your goals. Whether it's working on a project, studying for an exam, or learning something new, you can do it more effectively and in less time. When you focus fully on one task, you can finish it faster and do a better job. This kind of focus also helps improve concentration. Most of us struggle to stay focused because we live in a world full of distractions. It can be hard to stay on one task for a long time without getting distracted. But when you start living with purpose and focus, you'll notice that your ability to concentrate improves. At first, it might be difficult, especially if you're used to multitasking or constantly switching between tasks. However, with practice, your ability to stay on one task will get better. Your mind will become less distracted, and focusing will start to feel more natural. This improved concentration will help you get more done and be more productive. Living with more focus also has great benefits for your mental health. In today's busy world, it's easy to feel stressed or anxious because we have so many tasks, messages, and thoughts to deal with. All these distractions can make us feel like we're doing a lot but not getting anywhere. When you live more intentionally and reduce distractions, you'll notice that your mind feels much clearer. You stop feeling like you're juggling too many things at once, and instead, you feel more in control. With less stress and fewer distractions, you'll have more mental space to think clearly and make better decisions. As your focus improves, so does your mental health. Another important benefit is that this lifestyle helps you make better decisions. Every day, we face many choices. Whether it's deciding how to spend your time, which goals to focus on, or how to spend your energy, the number of decisions can be overwhelming. When you live with more focus, it becomes easier to make decisions that are aligned with your long-term goals. Without distractions pulling you in different directions, you can think more clearly about what will help you move forward and what won't. Over time, as you make decisions based on your goals, you'll feel more confident about the choices you make, whether they are big or small. Finally, living with more focus helps you build better habits. Good habits are key to long-term success. When you focus on what really matters, you naturally start building habits that support your goals. Whether it's making time for exercise, reading more, or taking care of your mental health, these habits will begin to form without feeling like a big effort. The more you practice focusing on important tasks, the more these habits will become a natural part of your daily life. Eventually, they help you stay disciplined and make it easier to continue moving towards your goals. In conclusion, when you live with more focus and intention, you'll see many positive changes in your life. You'll become more productive, improve your concentration, feel less stressed, make better decisions, and feel more connected to your goals. Living this way helps you create a life that's more balanced and fulfilling. Each day, you'll feel more in control, knowing that the time and energy you put into what matters most is leading you towards a better future. To start living with more focus, it's important to follow a few simple steps. Entering a state often called monk mode doesn't happen quickly. It takes careful planning, discipline, and a willingness to change your daily routine. But once you start, the results can be really rewarding. Let's look at how to get started. The first step is to set clear goals. Before you can remove distractions, you need to know what you're working towards. Your goals should be clear, measurable, and realistic. Whether you want to improve your fitness, learn a new skill, or work on a project, you need to know exactly what you want to achieve. Having clear goals helps you focus and gives you a reason to stay on track. Once you know your goals, you can create a plan to achieve them. This will help you focus on the right tasks and remove distractions. Next, it's important to get rid of distractions. In today's world, distractions are everywhere. Social media, TV, constant messages, and emails. To live in monk mode, you need to reduce these distractions. Start by turning off your phone notifications or setting certain times to check social media. Try to create a quiet space where you can work without being interrupted. For some people, this might mean setting up a workspace in another room or going somewhere outside to focus. The goal is to create an environment where you can focus fully without distractions. Another important step is to create a daily schedule. Without a plan, it's easy to waste time. A schedule helps you stay organized and use your time wisely. Set aside time for work, studying, or other tasks that help you reach your goals. Also, remember to include time for breaks and relaxation. It's important to have a balanced day where you can focus on your goals but also take care of yourself. Scheduling time for things like exercise and rest will help you keep a healthy balance between work and well-being. You should also build self-discipline. Living with focus means being able to control your impulses and avoid distractions. Self-discipline is key to staying in monk mode. It's important to stick to your goals, even when it's hard. This means saying no to things that don't help you achieve your goals. You might feel tempted to check your phone or take a break, but practicing self-discipline means sticking to your plan. The more you practice discipline, the better you'll get at staying focused. Another helpful tip is to track your progress. Checking your progress helps you stay motivated and see how far you've come. It's easy to forget your goals if you don't keep track of them. You can keep a journal or a planner to write down what you accomplish each day. This could be as simple as checking off tasks you've finished or writing about how you're feeling. Tracking your progress helps you feel proud of what you've done and keeps you focused on your long-term goals. Finally, be flexible. Life changes, and sometimes things don't go as planned. If something isn't working, or if your goals need to change, it's okay to adjust. The most important thing is to stay focused on your overall purpose, even if your path changes a little. Being flexible helps you keep moving forward without getting discouraged. Changing your plan when necessary will help you stay on track and keep making progress. Entering monk mode doesn't mean you have to cut out all fun or isolate yourself. It's about focusing on your goals, creating a plan that works for you, and being mindful of how you spend your time. With clear goals, less distraction, and self-discipline, you can live more intentionally and make real progress in every area of your life. Now that we've discussed the benefits of living with focus and intention, let's explore some common challenges people face when trying to stay focused and how to overcome them. When you start focusing on your goals and living with intention, it's natural to face some challenges. Living with fewer distractions and staying focused takes effort and practice, and there are times when things won't go as planned. However, by being aware of these challenges and knowing how to deal with them, you can stay on track and keep moving forward. One of the first challenges many people face is feeling isolated. When you remove distractions and focus on your goals, you might find that you're spending less time with others. This can lead to feelings of loneliness or isolation, especially if you're used to socializing often. To avoid this, it's important to make time for relationships and social activities that truly matter to you. It's okay to focus on your goals, but also remember that spending time with friends and family is important for your mental health. Another challenge is dealing with impatience. When you live with focus, you're working toward long-term goals, but results don't always come quickly. It can be frustrating when you don't see progress right away, and you might feel like giving up. However, it's important to remember that big changes take time. By setting small, achievable goals and celebrating each success along the way, you can stay motivated and keep moving forward. Some people may also face temptations that distract them from their goals. It can be hard to stay disciplined when you're constantly surrounded by things that pull your attention away. Whether it's the temptation to check your phone, take a break, or do something else, staying focused can be difficult. To overcome this, you can create a routine that includes specific times for work and specific times for relaxation or fun activities. This way, you can stay focused during work time and also enjoy your breaks without feeling guilty. Lastly, feeling overwhelmed is a common challenge when trying to stay focused. At first, it can be hard to make the changes needed to live more intentionally. You might feel like there's too much to do, or that you're not sure where to start. To avoid feeling overwhelmed, break your goals down into smaller steps. Focus on one small task at a time, and celebrate when you complete it. As you see progress, the feeling of being overwhelmed will fade away. In summary, while there are challenges when trying to live with focus and intention, there are also ways to overcome them. By making time for important relationships, being patient with your progress, creating a routine to manage temptations, and breaking down your goals into smaller steps, you can stay on track and keep moving toward your long-term objectives. Remember, these challenges are part of the process, and overcoming them will make you stronger and more focused. So, today we've talked about how to start living with more focus and intention. We've explored the benefits of this lifestyle, such as becoming more productive, improving your mental health, and making better decisions. We also discussed how to overcome challenges that can come up along the way, such as feeling isolated, dealing with impatience, and staying disciplined. Remember, the key is to stay patient and focused on your goals. Every small step you take gets you closer to a life that feels more fulfilling and meaningful. It won't happen overnight, but with consistent effort, you'll start seeing real progress. Thank you so much for listening today. I hope you found this episode helpful and that you feel inspired to start living more intentionally. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with anyone who might benefit from it. I'll be back next time with more tips and advice. Take care, stay focused, and I'll see you soon.